Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how you can make money on a Solana blockchain. In this Web3, there are many ways to make money, but I'm going to show you a very great source where you can make money with your skills, with the writing trades, and with developing. There are many things, so just let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search this website, which is earn.superteam.fun, and click on Get Started. After clicking on Get Started, continue with Google or continue with email. I just logged in, and here you can see this many different bounties and many different peoples who are making money, right? So here you can see this bounty is listed, and you can choose whatever bounty, in which bounty you have to participate. I'm choosing this write a Twitter thread, so I clicking on this, and as you can see, the remaining time for this Twitter thread is 2 days, 10 hours, and 88 submissions are there, right? And this is what all the information looks like about this bounty and about this project. There is also, which is submission requirements. You have to remember that this is the requirements, and if you not follow that requirements, then you may be disqualified, right? So please follow that requirements. Also, other thing you can see is there's a note, and you don't have to use a chat GPT for it, right? There are other resources, which is like website, Twitter, and other things. And there's a prize. For a first you will get 75, for a second $50, and for third is 25, right? So the winner will get pretty much good amounts. So let's just let me show you how you can write trade. Okay, so click on this website, which is maps.fun, and then copy this website. Yeah, let's copy that and paste into the chat GPT, right? Okay, so alright, we will use here chat GPT because this will give us some information about this website. So let's just train this chat GPT with this, and I know there's written like don't use chat GPT, but I guess there's a written you can use ChatGPT, but you have to write your own words also in it, so it will not be look like a AI generated, etc. So we are training currently we are training the ChatGPT about this, and also you will find the white paper PDF on their website, like documents or something, and tell that to ChatGPT to learn about this PDF, so you can tell to the chat GPT to learn about that, and it will learn about maps.fun. Okay, after this you can also check the unsuperteam dot, and what is our mission, which is 4+ tweets. We have to write 4+ tweets in a one thread, in a one Twitter thread. So you can tell to the chat GPT to create a Twitter thread which contains 4+ posts or 4 posts, and now it will give you posts like it's giving. And now you can just copy this and add your own words in it, so you not get disqualified, and then just post it on a Twitter in a thread format. I hope you know how you can post on a Twitter. Okay, and you can create a canvas also, different canvas on a Canva, to add images to looking it, so it will look good. And after this, on the super team, you will see like click on submit now, and then link your submission, which is Twitter post, and also you have to write, if you have to write anything else you can write. Okay, and you have to connect your Solana wallet, which is click on your profile, then click on edit profile, and here you can link your Solana wallet address. You can add your Solana wallet address from your Phantom wallet. I hope you have an extension of it, As you can see in my screen, I have already Phantom extension. You can add that Phantom address on that super team website and click on update profile, and it will get updated. And you can also add skills, you can also add proof of work, so people can hire you also. I hope you like this all information about the super team, and if you want to get started, go on their website and try to win some bounties. There will be more videos like this in the future, so subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. See you in the next video. Bye.